Hey, Sharon here, and real quick I want to show you how to add a watermark. You simply go to your channel and then you go to branding, add a watermark, choose a file. Let's go with the white and see how that looks. Save. Save. Really tiny there. That's what it looks like. Oh, could we make it smaller? Custom start time. Let's do the entire video. Why not? Let's hit update and check out what one of our videos look like now. We can always change that. Yeah, that works. There you go. That's all you do. I appreciate you watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so I can help you get your business up and running online with these super simple tech tutorials and more.